Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is FARIZAH binti AHMAD, and today our group will be present about our assignment project for subject BMMH 2503. Our group have been decided to choose a split air conditioner system for our assignment project. So let's get started. As we can know, split air conditioner is a device that regulates the temperature of the air. Single split system comprises an indoor and outdoor unit with a connecting pipe from transferring coolant from one side to another. It utilized in room and hallway where window air conditioner are not visible. It consists of two parts, which is outdoor unit and indoor unit. For indoor unit, it consists of evaporator coil, expansion valve, capacitor, air blower, air filter, thermostat, and drain hose. For outdoor unit, it has compressor, condenser, motor fan, and drain hose.
Hello, my name is DARREL ESMUND, and now I'm going to explain about the method and data. So I'm going to explain about how the split system works. So the first thing is the evaporator coil will absorb heat in the room and release it to the refrigerant. Second, the refrigerant will move into the compressor. Next, the compressor will compress the refrigerant even further until it forms a liquid. Then the liquid will be sent to the condenser coil, where it will exchange heat with the environment and form a gas again with the motor fan to dissipate the heat. After that, the hot liquid refrigerant will travel to the expansion valve. Then it will depressure the refrigerant and cool it down. Then the low pressure coil liquid will be flowing into the evaporator coil and will distribute out through the help of the air blower. And lastly, the process will repeat and circulate until it turns off. And next, what type of refrigerant used in the split system? So there are two types of refrigerant that is normally used in the split system. So the first one is R22 refrigerant. So Freon is frequently used to refer to it. So R22 is a hydrochlorofluorocarbon that contributes to the depletion of the ozone layer. R22 is no longer used in new air conditioning system as of 2010. And by 2020, the usage of R22 will be restricted to recycle or store amount. Then next you have the R410A refrigerant. So Puron, Suva 9100 or Genetron AZ20 are some examples of the brand names. So R410A is a hydrofluorocarbon with a GWP of 2088 that does not directly contribute to the ozone depletion. So operating pressure can be more than 50% greater than R22. So the system requires components that can withstand higher pressure. For new light commercial air conditioning system, R410A is the most often used refrigerant. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad bin Muhammad ZAKI, and today I will explain about result and analysis. And I will start by explaining about coefficient of performance, which is COP. Okay, what is COP? COP is the coefficient of performance. It's a performance rating that tells us how effective a heat pump or air conditioner is at transferring heat versus the amount of electrical power it consumes. Okay, the coefficient of performance of a refrigerator is defined as the heat removed from the cold reservoir, Q cold, divided by the work as we can see at the above, which is COP equals to Q cold divided by work. Okay, so as can be seen, the better or the more efficient the refrigerator is when more heat, which is Q cold, can be removed from the inside of the refrigerator for a given amount of food. Okay, since the first law of thermodynamics must be valid also in this case, which is Q cold plus W equals to Q hot, okay, we can rewrite as above equation, which is at the middle equation that I have put here, which is COP equals to Q cold divided by W equals to Q cold divided by Q hot minus Q cold.
Thank you, my friend. My name is Mohamad Daniel bin NASIR. I will explain about advantage and disadvantages. First, advantages. Efficient in terms of cooling room, great power consumption with low energy cost. Air conditioning installation process is quick and easy since it does not require ducting as with a central air conditioning system. Fewer parts that can be easily maintained and fewer things that can go wrong. So the maintenance costs are low too with such an air conditioning system if it is properly maintained. This disadvantages is highest horsepower or the split type can go up to 3 horsepower only. Need more than one unit if have a large area to be covered. Affect the look of the house since most of them have a large board hanging outside the house with an external condenser unit and with an external indoor unit. Next we move to the other parts. Now we continue about graph about the split unit system. First, compressor takes superheated refrigerant vapor and compress it to a pressure to reject heat to another fluid. The hot gas and high pressure refrigerant vapor are then sent to the condenser. The refrigerant gas has to be hotter than the ambient temperature. When the refrigerant leaves evaporator coils, it is still not sufficiently heated, which is why we need to first increase the pressure and temperature. The condenser receives heated gas and high pressure refrigerant vapor. With the help of the fan blower, the condensing coil increases the surface area. The temperature will decline when the outside temperature drops. Refrigerant enters the evaporator coil as a liquid. The blower fans push air across the coil from the room. The air inside the room is warmer than the evaporator coil, which has a low temperature or is frigid. As a result, heat moves from the hotter to a colder temperature. When the pressure drops, the temperature also drops considerably. That for me. Now we explain next part.
Hi, my name is KARTHIGESEN. I'm going to talk about discussion from the previous data and the result. Okay, a split unit air conditioner is a type of air conditioning system that consists of two independent units. The condensing unit, which can be water or air cooled, and the air handling unit. The air handling unit is located in the air conditioning room, whereas the condensing unit is located in the engine room or another mechanical area. The condensing unit can also be installed outside. Insulated refrigerant links the two units. Okay, in the condensing unit, the compressor and the condenser are installed. In the evaporating unit, the evaporator coil is installed. Because the condensing unit is not located within the conditioned space, the split unit air conditioning system is much quieter. Split air conditioner may be outfitted with variety of features. A heating function can be divided to a filtering function and dehumidifier function. A split air conditioning installation is more simpler because it does not require ductwork. Therefore, there is less danger of air conditioner blunder during the installation. Instead, the interior and the outdoor units are linked by a network of electric lines and pipes. This is beneficial to both your budget and the environment because you still receive a powerful air conditioner with less effort. Because many centralized aircon systems waste a lot of energy owing to heat exchange in the air duct system. The ductwork required for many classic AC units often increases energy expense. There is virtually little chance for heat or energy loss in a split air conditioning system without a ductwork. This type of conditioning system offers several advantages over standard AC system. One apparent advantage is of the silent operation of a split air conditioning system. The compressor and that fan that cools the condenser create the greatest noise in air conditioner. In a split system, as opposed to a window unit, the compressor and the fan for the condenser are positioned outside the room, being cool, removing the principal source of noise. A split air conditioner is a cost-effective and efficient method to cool your house. It should be noted that the initial cost of this type of air conditioning equipment is substantially more than that of a window unit, and expert installation is required. However, the money you will save energy bills as well as the unit's durability will make worth in the end. Thank you.
In conclusion, we know that split air conditioner can connect one indoor unit to an outdoor unit where the installation are simply. It also delivers a sophisticated air conditioner solution to single zone interior spaces at affordable price. An inverter modulates power supply frequently to control motor rotation speed. Inverter stabilize temperature by adjusting compressor operation according to load to eliminate waste and energy save. The motor rotates faster to lower room temperature, and motor rotation is adjusted to maintain a constant temperature. When temperature approaches set temperature, the motor rotation is reduced. By lowering motor rotation speed according to load, reduce both variation with for temperature and energy consumption. So that's all for our group. Thank you.